Meet the mantis, a master of patience and precision. This incredible insect belongs to the order of Mantodea and has over 2,400 species worldwide. We observe its behavior up close. With slow, deliberate movements, the mantis explores, using its powerful front legs to sense its surroundings. These legs are lined with sharp spines, perfect for grabbing unsuspecting prey. In slow motion, its elegance is undeniable. Every step is calculated, every moment precise. Mantis relies on its excellent eyesight with 2 large compound eyes and 3 smaller simple eyes in between. Defying gravity with ease, it uses its specialized pads on its feet that help it grip even the smoothest surfaces. Bursting into motion with lightning fast speed, it is a crucial skill needed for catching prey like flies, moth, and even small reptiles in some cases. Releasing it back into its natural habitat, we place it gently on a curry-leaf plant. Mantises are often found in gardens where they play a crucial role in pest control. Nearly invisible among the leaves, the mantis blends in perfectly with its surroundings. Its camouflage allows it to ambush prey undetected. Here it waits, calmly, waiting for its next meal.